right, we are good. So let's go to driver control in 3, 2, 1, go. Blue Alliance in position. First team to strike. Red Alliance right there getting one up. And it looks like Blue Alliance getting another one. Oh, one fell off. We'll see how this plays out. A little bit off on some of the shots here by these teams with 3, with 2, with 1. And we'll see how this plays out. Looks like a few balls scored for Blue, several for Red. Blue gets the autonomous bonus. No win point. Driver control in 3, 2, 1, go. It was those bonuses that ultimately played a factor to determine who's going to get that bonus, which ultimately went towards the Blue Alliance. Taking one final bonus in before lunch break, but they saw that minute 35 before they could actually take a break, because right now their focus is at an all-time high. Locked right into this match in front of them to be able to continue on and finish out the lunch break on a high note. But the Red Alliance is looking to thwart that to end on a high note for themselves, as they've been able to get 4 balls up and in on that high goal on the far side of the field nearest to me. And they're looking to continue on the bottom side as well. They got 1 ball in, but Blue still owns that very bottom goal for that 6-point bonus. That 8-point bonus is currently at a stalemate, and it looks like only one of the goals on the high is owned by the Red. Blue does have 2 balls, but it doesn't look like, at least from my perspective, that they've completely cleared in those white lines, so they won't actually be counted as scored. Of course, once all game elements and objects and robots come to rest at the end of the match, that's when the final scoring will be determined, and will be determined by the referees and scorekeepers who have been doing this for a long, long time and are more than well versed on how the game works and what legally counts and does not count as scored. 38 seconds as all 4 teams meet in a quadrant. Now immediately split back out to try to do some scoring. Blue Alliance, good push, able to get that ownership of that 8-point goal. Red Alliance with a point up or 3 points up on that top board. Trying to play some defense by Blue, trying to play or get those red balls out. Successfully move them, and at least to a point where it does look like Blue Alliance does take ownership of that top goal on the near side. Time ticking down, 20-second warning. Parking zones are now protected, because it looks like we're having collisions on all fronts right now between the Red and the Blue Alliance. They have to be careful not to hit them as they're trying to park. They are very careful, and it looks like Red and Blue bumping into each other with 3, with 2, with 1. Maybe a park by Blue, not quite, as this match comes to an end.